guys, here I am with another video because today's the only day that I get to do my video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my new case that I got for my MacBook Air laptop, and I also got like a new band for my Apple Watch. So I was actually supposed to do this video a while ago, be showing you guys the one that I was supposed to show you guys in the beginning, but it didn't work out. So this was the case for the laptop. Look at how cute. You know me with pink. I like pink, I like purple, but it was this cute one that I liked it. And so this is what the inside looks like, and then it actually came with everything. So it came with like the keyboard thing. It came with the case, just a pink plain case. And it actually came with the screen protector and all that other stuff, but I was just really upset that it didn't fit. I think the one that I got is the 13.3, because if you order the 13-inch, the pink one was the 13-inch and it didn't work out. So there's my MacBook case that I got. I left it in the rack. And I got this from Amazon. I will be putting the link and everything down below. Look at how cute. It has a little pocket in here. So you have to open it with the zipper, but you can put stuff in there if you want. And it doesn't open as much as the other one, it just opens like this. But then on the inside, it has like that soft material, and it actually protects your, looks like it will protect your laptop pretty good. On the inside, so it looks like that. It has a lot of space in there. It actually came with a screen protector and the keyboard thing. It brought, I think he only brings, oh, it brings one. And the case. So. There you go. So let's try to put these together. Amazon has a lot of cute leopard band, different designs, whatever you want, either like sunflower ones for your Apple Watch. And the Apple Watch that I got, it is the Watch Series 3. I got it for Christmas, and I love this pink. So the rose gold, I have the rose gold, and I have the 38mm. So yeah, so we're gonna try this. We're gonna put this one on here. You press those little buttons on the back, you're able to take it out. So let me see. So there you go, I took it out. Now I'm gonna put these on. They have so many cute ones. So here it is. Let's put these, and look at how easy it is to put it on. So all you have to do is slide it through here. There you go. Let's try this on. The only thing I don't like is that this is silver, and my watch is gold, so that's like the only thing that ruined it. It looks like it's pretty easy to put on. And what do you guys think? I think it's really cute. I like this cheetah. Do you guys like it? I think it's really cute. Look how cute it looks. I'm at height now. I'm probably not going to put the screen protector because I'm not really good at doing that stuff. So let's just skip. I'm gonna skip that part. The only thing that I'm gonna do is, see, it has a screen protector, but I suck at doing that stuff. I need somebody to do it for me. And this is like the keyboard thing. And I thought that it would come like with a sticker or something. I guess you're just supposed to put it on there and it stays. Like how is this supposed to stay though? Look at how cute it looks though. And now we're gonna put the, I gotta buy something to clean my computer. But look at how cute this case looks. And all you have to do is push it down. It's pretty easy to put. And we're gonna do the bottom one too. So this is gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to just show you guys my, and I'm probably gonna buy more cases and probably do more videos like this. Look at how gorgeous. Look at how pretty. And of course my nails are purple too, but look at how pretty this is. I can't, you guys. Look at this cutie. Look at the back. I really love this case. This is really, really cute. If you go like this, of course it's gonna fall, but that. Oops. Alright, let's get out of there. And of course, oops, there goes my YouTube. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, because I can order more bands. I can order more like cases for my computer. So yeah, guys, let me know. All right, I love this. So I'm just gonna put it in here so you guys can see that it fit. And look at how nice. It fits pretty well. Let's see. Espérate. What's going on here? Okay, I was about to say. Fits pretty well. Look at how nice. So skinny. Like, I mean, you are able to fit it in there. This charger is crazy right now. So, I don't like doing this to my chargers though. What is this for? I'm gonna put my laptop in here. I'll put the charger somewhere else. But yeah, I don't want to mess it up. That was it for this short video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment down below and let me know. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.